Hey guys, it's your girl Tracy and welcome to my channel. You all know I'm about to do something new again. It's not really new. I started off with making jewelry. I've never done it by doing resin. So I'm about to do it. I have so much supplies from old craft stuff. Like half of this stuff is stuff I already had from making so much things. And yeah, like old stuff from other things, new. I have so much sticker. I can't wait to get through all of this, guys. Like this book has, I found this in the dollar store. It has so much. It has like 5 leaves of all different type of stickers. Like, oh my gosh, I love it. I have found these. They're so cute. So cute. Check them out. I have more. Oh my god, yes. And I got my mole off Amazon. It came yesterday. They are so big. They're bigger than I thought, and that's great. And I got an extra one. Yep. Amazon. I have so much stuff. I got these. These are smaller than I thought, but they work. They work. We're trying to do small stuff. Yep. My first resin silicone. Yeah, it came with all these things. All these things came together. All these things. And you can't do this without protection. I got you. I got all the protection here and long sleeves and stuff like that. Yep. I need to find, I have 3 more of these I can't even find. I don't know where they are. I'm going to find these and just put this out in case. These are stuff from other crafts that I did. I have these for a while. Oh my gosh, there's so much things. And these are not the half of what I got. I'm so excited. I'm going to be using Amazing. Yay. We're going to try that. That's our first resin that we're going to use. I have so much little things all over the place. You see this little teddy bear in here? It's so cute. Yay. Yeah. So much stuff. So much little cute stuff. So yeah, let's get right into it.
Just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't, no, I didn't see it coming. Well, I got your phone and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life, the love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life. You're the love of my life, my life.
Yes, guys, so it's the next day and I'm about to unmold my keychain, my key rings. Excuse me. Yeah. Let's go. I'm so excited. First time. Yeah, clean up. Oh, you can bend it because it's just the next day, so I'm not gonna bend it. I'm just excited. Could have waited until the end of the day, but I wanted to do it. Couldn't wait until the end of the day. This is just the morning after, and they are good to come out the mall.
Old walls that I built for you just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't. No, I didn't see it coming. Well, I got your phone and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life, the love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life. You're the love of my life, my life. Old walls that I built for you just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't. No, I didn't see it coming. Well, I got your phone and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life, the love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life. You're the love of my life, my life. Old walls that I built for you just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside.